Hi guys, I'm Cebuano language teacher. I'm here to teach you Cebuano the easiest way possible. You'll learn to speak like a native in the shortest possible time. So like and subscribe. Thank you! Mayong buntag. So today we're gonna study about subject markers in Bisaya or Cebuano. Now, I wanna call your attention to the two photos here on the screen. The first one is labeled si Taylor Swift, and the next one is si Chris Evans. And then below that, sila si Taylor Swift ug Chris Evans. Now, can you tell me what comes after si? That's a personal name, right? So Taylor Swift and Chris Evans are both personal names. Now, what comes after sila si? So you'll find there the names of Taylor Swift and Chris Evans. So sila si Taylor Swift ug Chris Evans. Can you tell the difference between the usage of si and sila si? Right. Si is followed by a personal name, just one personal name, while sila si is followed by two personal names. It could be more. And when two items are combined or joined, they use the conjunction ug. So ug. Now, I want to tell you guys that when you start learning Bisaya, you should think in Bisaya. Okay. Next, what marker will you use? You see there are 4 photos here. Blank Judy, blank Anne, blank Lou, blank Bong. So, what marker will you use for each one of them? And below that, you'll see blank Anne Uglu, blank Judy Ugbong, blank Lu Ugbong, blank Anne Ug Judy, blank Anne, Lu, Judy, Ugbong. I hope you got that right, guys. Now, let's analyze. We see here a picture of a dog, and below that is a label, Ang Iro. And beside that is another picture, but this time there are 5 dogs, and the label under is Ang Mga Iro. So you know the difference, don't you? Here, below the dog, you'll see a picture of a key, which is labeled Ang Yawi. Again, you'll know or probably notice the label is Ang Yawi. And beside that is another picture, this time of multiple keys. And the label is Ang Mga Yawi. Do you know the difference? Now, let's see. What will you use? Ang simbahan? Ang mga simbahan? Ang mangga? Or ang mga mangga? Ang lamisa? Or ang mga lamisa? Ang iring? Or ang mga iring? I hope you chose the right one, guys. So, what do you notice comes after ang? Right, it's a non-personal name. What comes after ang mga? Right, it's 2 or more non-personal names. What joins 2 personal names or items? Right again, the conjunction ug. So, always remember, there are 2 sets of subject markers in Cebuano or Binisaya. The personal subject marker, si and sila si, and the non-personal subject marker, ang and ang mga. 2 items are joined by the conjunction ug. Study these few sentences. Tamis ang mga mangga. And below that, tamis means sweet. Himus ang iro. Next, mabdus si Jane. And finally, nabdus sila Jane ug Emma. So, here's a very short quiz. How do we say the following in Binisaya? Jane is pregnant. The dog is cute. The mangoes are sweet. Jane and Emma are pregnant. Clue, the answers are on the previous page. So, a little discussion to recap. Now you know that the dog is cute is himus ang iro. What do you notice about the structure in English? How about in Binisaya? Are they the same? In what way are they different? In English, the subject comes before the word that describes it, while in Bisaya, the subject comes after the word that describes it. Can you see the be verb is in Bisaya? Bisaya has no be or are. Remember that. Salamat kayo. Kita na lang ta sunod mga amiga ug amigo. Hinaut nag-enjoy mo sa atong leksyon. Amping kanunay. Visit us at www.cebuanoteacher.com. Kung giganahan ka sa video, palihog og like ug subscribe.